So it's really not all that bad to clean this juicer. I try not to get too lazy when it comes to cleaning it. This is actually a really easy juicer to take apart and clean. So I'm going to show you guys how quickly I normally clean this juicer. So first I'll start out by just hand wiping down my area with a soapy towel. I normally don't keep this juicer out on the countertop. We keep it up high in the cabinets because we don't juice as often as we should, but I'm gonna try and get back into the habit. I know I say that a lot, but I really am gonna try and get back into the habit of juicing, as I've said like a million times. So yeah, I'm just wiping this down, and then after I wipe it down, I'm gonna rinse all of the juicer parts. The leftover fiber from the fruits and vegetables are also known as compost. Compost is rich in nutrients, so it's a good idea to drop it in your garden or around your trees. If you have like any avocado trees or a lemon tree, they would greatly benefit from the compost. So as for this juicer, because it's really easy to clean, you can just rinse it off really good, and then if you needed to use it directly afterwards to do more juicing, you could totally do that. I'm not that familiar with other juicers, but I can only speak for this one, and this one has held up pretty well over the years. I'm really starting to believe that Omega is a really good brand, but like I said, I haven't owned other juicers, so I'm not sure like if there are better brands out there. I'm pretty sure there are, but this is just the one that I'm familiar with. So yes, my sink was a little stopped up, so I normally reach my hand down in the garbage disposal before I turn it on because, you know, utensils get down in there. Anyway, so now here's a close-up of all the parts. As you can see, you could totally get away with just rinsing the parts, and you really don't have to wash it down. Now there are a few areas that could use a little hand washing, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Hopefully you guys will continue to tune in. I'm going to put on some lovely music, and I'm also going to talk to you guys a little bit more about detoxing. So this is real-time footage of how long it takes for me to wash the parts of the juicer. Next week, I will definitely have more juicing recipes for you guys, so make sure that you've clicked that notification bell so that you won't miss it. Y'all, I have just been doing okay in the juicing department. I made one juice drink this morning, but I haven't been juicing or drinking smoothies like I should. I know I need to do a little bit better, and I'm working on it. I know I rave a lot about juicing and the health benefits of it, and that's because I really strongly believe that juicing is super duper healthy and beneficial for the human body. It's something that everybody should incorporate into their diets on a daily basis if possible. But you know, if juicing is not your thing, if it's not your cup of tea, just try to make sure that you're eating as healthy as possible and adding fresh raw fruits and vegetables to your diet on a daily basis. Now I'm going to talk to you guys really quickly about detoxing. Just a little disclaimer. I am no professional. I'm just speaking my opinion from my understanding of how the human body works when you detox via juice fasting. I'm only talking about juice fasting. So for starters, juice fasting means that you're only consuming fresh fruits and vegetable juices. Basically, no processed foods, no meat, no dairy, none of that, okay? Juicing is not the same thing as making a blended smoothie. When you juice, the juicer removes all of the fiber from your drink, and this action of removing the fiber will give your digestive system a much needed break. Because you're only consuming liquids, your body does not have to focus or work hard at digesting all of the junk that you eat, that I eat, that we all eat every single day. Now we can focus on other things such as repair. So while the body is in repair mode, it can begin to heal naturally from any underlying ailments or medical issues that you may have going on in your body. The toxins that you have in your fat cells are going to be released into your bloodstream to be expelled, which is why when most people juice fast, they feel sick. Weight loss. Listen up, y'all. Weight loss is going to be rapid when you juice fast. And this is from my own personal experience and from the testimony of a few others that have juice fasted, as well as from the young man, I cannot remember his name, but the guy that was in the documentary. I'll still link that video down below for anybody that's interested. It has even been said that juice fasting can reverse diseases such as cancer, okay? So I just think that that is just so awesome. And of course, we know that all of this, as far as the body repairing and healing itself, it's all by God's grace. It's all by his grace, period. So I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch me clean this juicer and to listen to me talk about juicing. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week for more juicing videos and a few more food and cooking videos, okay? But I'll try and keep it as healthy as possible for you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Wow.